I will be demonstrating my project for automatic elevator control and overload detection system. I will first explain the principle of operation. Here you can see 4 buttons with different functions. The first button is for passenger to call the elevator to level 1 when the elevator is at level 2. The next button is for passenger to travel to level 1 when boarding the elevator at level 2. The next button is for passenger to call the elevator to level 2 when the elevator is at level 1. And the last button is for passenger to travel to level 2 when boarding the elevator at level 1. 2 IR sensors are placed to detect the elevator's position and stop the motor when the elevator reaches its desired level. The level of the elevator will then be displayed on the LCD. Currently, LCD indicates that the elevator is at level 1. Now I will demonstrate a 50 gram load entering the elevator on this load cell board. For this prototype, the overload threshold is set at 95 gram. Once the load enters the elevator, system will measure the weight and determine if there is an overload detected or not. If no overload is detected, LED will stay green and system will remain enabled. Now passenger will travel to level 2 with a push of this button. LCD will indicate elevator's traveling direction. Now I will demonstrate calling the elevator to level 1. As the elevator reaches level 1, the IR sensor position at level 1 detects it and stops the motor immediately. Now I will demonstrate calling the elevator to level 2. Same principle applies for the IR sensor position at level 2. Once it detects the elevator, it will stop the motor. LCD will display which level the elevator is currently at. Lastly, I will demonstrate the overload detection function. I will add a total of 100 gram in parts. Currently, the load is at 90 gram and I will add an additional 10 gram to the load cell. Overload will be detected immediately and a warning message will be displayed on the LCD. An audio and visual alarm will also be activated. This will disable the elevator control system until the overload is cleared. Now I will remove the 10 gram load to bring the total load down to 90 gram. As the overload is cleared, the system will have a short delay before re-enabling the control system. This is to allow the system to ensure overload is actually cleared before re-enabling the control system, and also to prevent any sudden usage or movement of the elevator. It will be indicated when the LED turns green. And now, the passenger will be able to travel to level 1. That is the end of my project demonstration. Thank you.